Did you know nearly half of all Google searches have local intent? That's right. People are actively looking for businesses like yours near me right now. If your business isn't showing up, you're missing out on thousands of potential customers. It's time to stop leaving money on the table and truly dominate local search. First up, your Google My Business profile. This isn't just a basic listing, it's your storefront on Google Maps. Go beyond the basics. Fill out every single field with keyword-rich info. Think of your business description, services, products, and attributes. Post updates, offers, and events regularly. A local bakery could post about the new seasonal pumpkin spice cake with a direct order link. Upload high-quality, geo-tagged photos and videos frequently. Show your products, your team, happy customers. This transforms your Google My Business from static to dynamic. Next, let's talk keywords. Many stop at plumber in a city, but advanced local keyword search goes deeper. Think long-tail, hyper-local, and conversational phrases. How do people actually speak when searching? Instead of dentist in a city, try emergency pediatric dentist open late in a city. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner, Answer the Public, and Google's People Also Ask section. Pay attention to autocomplete suggestions. If you serve multiple neighborhoods, create content for each specific micro location. This catches a wider net of highly motivated searchers. Link building is crucial, and for local search, it's about community trust. Forget spammy directories. Focus on high-quality, relevant backlinks from local businesses, organizations, and media. Sponsor a local charity event for a link. Collaborate with a complimentary local business. Guest blog on local news sites or community platforms. A financial advisor could write an article for a local newspaper on navigated property taxes in New York. Build genuine relationships that lead to valuable online endorsements. Want to speak Google's language? Implement advanced local schema markup. This secret code helps search engines understand your content better, enabling rich snippets that stand out. Beyond basic local business markup, use service schema, product schema, or event schema. For a restaurant, implement menu schema to display your dishes directly in search results. Use Google's structured data testing tool to ensure it's valid. This dramatically improves click-through rates by making your listings more informative. Finally, user-generated content, especially reviews, is your goldmine. Don't just collect stars, leverage them. Encourage detailed reviews that mention specific services. Fantastic hacked by Sarah is much better than great service. Respond to every review, positive or negative, professionally and promptly. This shows engagement and values feedback. Also, actively monitor and contribute to the Q&A section on your Google business page. Proactively answer frequently asked questions. Imagine a hardware store answering, "Do you stock self-tapping screws?" This builds trust and showcases expertise, turning feedback into a powerful SEO asset. These aren't just tips. They're your blueprint for local search dominance. Start implementing today. Hope you enjoyed this video. For more videos like this, follow and subscribe.